Plants hanging from baskets add a unique charm to any garden, but not all plants do well in them. Want to know which ones will make your balcony or porch jaw-dropping? Let's uncover the best 36 plants for hanging baskets. Some you may know, many will surprise you. Petunia is the showstopper of the hanging world. With its waterfall of blooms in every color imaginable, it covers baskets in no time and blooms non-stop through summer. Portulaca, also known as moss rose, is a drought-tolerant beauty with succulent leaves and neon-like blooms. This trailing plant thrives in heat and brings serious charm to any setup. Begonia is the queen of shade. Trailing varieties are best for baskets, producing endless clusters of pink, red, and white that light up even the darkest corners. Philodendron and spider plant are indoor classics. The heart-shaped philodendron vines effortlessly, while the spider plant throws out baby plantlets like streamers. Diacia is the underrated cousin of snapdragons. It produces delicate clusters of vivid flowers, perfect for adding soft color from spring to fall. Geranium adds structure and style. The striking leaves and colorful blooms make it a must for sunny baskets. Just keep the soil draining well. Verbena is the ultimate sunny day companion. Its trailing growth and multicolored blossoms make it ideal for south-facing spaces that get plenty of light. Fuchsia is like jewelry for your garden. Its pendant flowers hang elegantly and come in striking shades of purple, pink, and white, ideal for shady patios. Impatiens are made for the shade. These easy-to-grow plants bloom in nearly every color and keep going all summer long with just a bit of moisture. Dianthus delivers both color and fragrance. Their compact form and steady blooms make them a charming choice for smaller hanging setups. Ivy brings the drama with its graceful trailing vines and classic foliage. Use it as a background to highlight colorful flowering plants. Pansy is cheerful, fast-growing, and full of personality. With their bright faces, they bloom early and keep going with a little deadheading. Lobelia adds a burst of blue or violet that's hard to find elsewhere. Its delicate flowers and trailing habit make it perfect for the edges of a mixed basket. Sweet alyssum is tiny but mighty. It spills out of baskets with a blanket of white or purple blooms, and the honey scent is unforgettable. Lantana is bold and fragrant, but don't be fooled, it can take over if you let it. In a basket though, it behaves beautifully and attracts butterflies. Calibrachoa, or million bells, offers endless blooms in every shade. It's a more durable cousin of the petunia and thrives even when the weather gets tricky. Nemesia has a soft pansy-like charm. It's easy to grow and creates dense clouds of flowers that drape gently from baskets. Bacopa creates a trailing curtain of tiny blooms in pink, white, or blue. It's easy to maintain and draws in butterflies with its delicate flowers. Osteospermum, the Cape daisy, is sun-loving and drought-tolerant. With flowers in lavender, yellow, and white, it adds a crisp brightness to any outdoor space. Pothos is the low-maintenance champion of indoor hanging baskets. Its long vines and heart-shaped leaves clean the air while greening up your home. Black-eyed Susan vine brings fiery color and quick growth. Its cheerful blooms pop against dark centers and hang beautifully from baskets. Boston fern is lush and feathery, perfect for adding a touch of the tropics. It thrives in humidity and shade, making it a bathroom or porch favorite. Arrowhead plant stuns with its arrow-shaped leaves in greens, pinks, and even burgundy. It's easy to care for and loves a hanging basket. Climbing aloe is the surprise succulent with a twist. It grows upward and outward, and when it blooms, it's spectacular. Trailing jade turns baskets into a living sculpture. In winter, its fleshy green leaves take on a purplish hue that steals the show. Air plants defy soil entirely. Suspend them in glass or wire frames and let their alien-like shapes create a conversation starter. Coleus, especially the trailing types, provide foliage fireworks. Look for rich maroons, bright greens, and pinks to spill color over the edges. Dichondra Silver Falls is the silver cascade your green plants didn't know they needed. Its metallic leaves shimmer in the breeze and drape like a curtain. Jade vine is rare and jaw-dropping. Its turquoise flowers look almost unreal, and hanging baskets let them shine where everyone can see. Parrot's beak is for the bold. Its flame-like flowers and silvery foliage add an exotic flair that's perfect for full sun. Ivy geranium combines ruffled petals with trailing leaves for a romantic old-world vibe. They're heat-tolerant and bloom abundantly. Bougainvillea, especially the compact bambino types, bring tropical drama. The paper-like bracts dangle elegantly from the basket. Just keep them in full sun. Creeping Jenny is a fast-growing spiller with bright yellow-green leaves and dainty flowers. It covers ground or baskets fast, so keep it in check. Strawberries might just be the most delicious option. With trailing vines, white blossoms, and red berries, they're practical and ornamental. Nasturtium is the rebel you want in your basket. Fast-growing, edible, and low maintenance. It trails down in vibrant bursts of red, orange, and yellow. It even keeps pests away. What more could you ask for? Cherry tomatoes might seem like an odd choice, but they thrive in baskets and give you a snack-sized harvest just above eye level. Use the sunniest spot you've got. So, now you know the secrets. These 36 plants don't just hang, they steal the spotlight. Ready to lift your garden game above the ground? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more green inspiration, and turn on notifications. We've got a whole jungle to grow together.